I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and this is part 3 of your introduction to garden design. Now that you know about all the elements to consider in garden design, it's time to start planning out your own garden. Think about what it is that you want to use the garden for. This could be a place to relax, exercise, grow food, or maybe you just want it to look great. Pick out the style you'd like to go with, and make a note of your soil type and how much sunlight your garden gets. Also, set yourself a budget. All of these things will help you pick out what plants you want to include. If you're not sure what style best suits your garden and need some inspiration, here are some popular styles to choose from. Cottage gardens. Cottage gardens are informal and charming, with a mix of flowering plants, herbs and vegetables. These tend to invoke an older, traditional English or European garden. Common plants found in cottage gardens include roses, peonies, lavender and daisies. Formal gardens. Formal gardens are characterised by symmetry, order and structure. Common plants found in formal gardens include topiaries, hedges and geometrically shaped shrubs. Japanese gardens. Japanese gardens are serene and contemplative, focusing on natural elements such as water, rocks and gravel. Common plants found in Japanese gardens include cherry blossoms, azaleas, bamboo and bonsai trees. Modern gardens. Modern gardens are sleek and minimalist, focusing on clean lines and simple shapes. Common plants found in modern gardens include ornamental grasses, succulents and evergreens. Tropical gardens. Tropical gardens are lush and vibrant, focusing on bold colours and exotic foliage. Common plants found in tropical gardens include palm trees, hibiscus and bromeliads. So once you've made all of those decisions, you can start thinking about the layout of your garden. You can use the sketch that you made earlier or just the natural shape of your garden to start thinking about how you want to map it out. Some good things to include in your layout are pathways and focal points to add variety to your structure. So you can sketch out a few different layout ideas and pick your favourite to start working from. When picking out your plants, consider how the seasons will affect them. I recommend picking out some evergreen plants to make up the kind of skeleton of your year-round greenery and filling out the rest of the space with plants that look good in the various seasons. Another thing to think about is how big the plant will get. You might get a really young tree that could completely outgrow the space that it's in, so keep in mind that plants do grow and change. So with all of this in mind, you should be able to start designing your garden to fit your needs perfectly. If you want any more information on gardening or plants, be sure to check out the other videos and articles on our website. Thank you for watching and enjoy your garden.